Welcome to Subtitle Off. This is a podcast where we talk about different topics and help you learn English in a fun and natural way. Today, we're talking about trucks. Let's hit the road.
Welcome back to Subtitle Off, where truckers learn English through real road stories. Nick, today we're talking about something every driver deals with sooner or later. Repairs.
Oh, yeah. No matter how new your truck is, something's always shaking, leaking, or making a weird noise.
Haha, sounds like every car I've ever owned. So what's the usual process when a truck breaks down or needs maintenance?
If it's serious, like an engine light or air leak, I go straight to a maintenance shop or the TA service center. First thing you do is walk to the counter and say, "Hey, I need someone to check my truck."
And what do they ask you?
They'll ask for your truck number, company name, and what's wrong. So you gotta describe the problem clearly, like, "I think my air line is leaking. My check engine light came on. I'm hearing a loud rattle near the front wheel."
Oh, so simple but specific?
Exactly. Don't just say, "It's broken." Give details. Mechanics appreciate that.
How do you ask about how long it'll take?
You can say, "How long do you think it'll take?" Or, "Any idea when you can get me in?" If they're busy, sometimes it's a few hours, sometimes a full day.
And how do you ask about the price?
I usually say, "Can you give me an estimate before you start?" Or, "How much is the diagnostic fee?" Some places charge just to look at the problem.
That's good to know. And what do you do while waiting?
Depends on the shop. Some have a driver's lounge, coffee, vending machines, TV. I just chill or do laundry, sometimes edit dashcam videos.
Multitasking, I see. Do you ever fix stuff yourself?
Small things, yeah, like changing lights or tightening bolts. But if it's air brakes or engine codes, I'd rather let the pros handle it.
Fair. What are some useful English phrases for this situation?
Let's go through a few. I need to get my truck checked. If there's an air leak somewhere, the check engine light is on. How much will it cost to fix? Can you get me in today? Please call me when it's ready.
Super practical. And how do you say it's done?
They'll say something like, "You're all set," or "Truck's ready to roll." Best words a driver can hear.
I bet. What's the most expensive repair you've had?
Oof. Probably when my DEF system failed, $4,000. I cried a little inside.
Ouch.
Yeah, that one hurt. But that's trucking. The road gives and the road takes.
Ha ha ha. Poetic as always. Any advice for new drivers when dealing with mechanics?
Be polite, patient, and take notes. If they explain something, write it down. And always keep your receipts. Companies ask for them later.
Love that. All right, guys. That's it for today's episode. Maintenance shop visit.
Stay safe, take care of your truck, and it'll take care of you.
See you next time on Subtitle Off. Real English from the road.